Hey guys, these videos, I'm now from making all these videos. I got like 9 gems, actually 11 gems, 11 gems. Yeah, I got 11 gems. So good for me, man. Got 11 gems. Actually, I don't know. Maybe, actually I got 13. 13, I don't know how many gems. All I know is I made money from the game. Not real life money though. Not real life money. What? It's so hard to kill, man. Please just give up. Yes. Got him. Still at 6. Ooh, this guy. I thought it would be something else. I don't really know where to get any from. Not these. Should I look for hawks now? Should look for weird cats. Yeah, look for like the weird cat things. Weird cats. Yeah, look for weird cats. Well, my suggestion is just wander. Wander around. That's what I do. Wander. That's what I do. Wander and hope for the best. Don't put a bubble around yourself. Then you will kill me. Thanks. Oh. This is no. That's only 39. Oh yeah, you are good. You are good. Yeah, you're definitely gonna help me. Help! Please. Please help. I only have one more. Wander. Wander done me good. Oh, come on. Yes. Yeah, I'm in 5th. Beto did 6. Oh, I see Easter egg. Mr. Easter egg, come here. Come to Papa. See little Easter egg. Come. Ching. I'm so happy right now. I'm doing my happy move. Yay! I'm spinning. I'm doing the happy spin. Spin around the tree. Use all my special attacks. Yay, I found an Easter egg in this. It will be forever known as the attack spot where I finally got the Easter egg. And that shall be a weird spot. And I shall mark my territory. People be like, why is that like that? I don't know. Let's move on. Do. Wander. Okay, bye.